Dandruff and dry scalp are common problems. They can be itchy and embarrassing. Many things can cause them. Sometimes it's just dry air. Other times it might be a skin condition. There are many ways to treat dandruff. You can buy special shampoos, or you can try natural remedies. Many herbs can help soothe your scalp. They can also make your hair healthy and shiny. Aloe vera is a wonderful plant. It has been used for centuries for healing. The gel inside the leaves is very soothing. It can help calm an itchy scalp. Aloe vera can also help fight inflammation. This is helpful if your scalp is red and irritated. You can apply aloe vera gel directly to your scalp. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse it out. You can also find aloe vera in many shampoos and conditioners. Burdock is another great herb for scalp health. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Burdock root is full of nutrients. These nutrients can help nourish your scalp. Burdock can also help with scalp conditions like eczema and psoriasis. It has anti-inflammatory properties. These can help soothe the scalp and reduce redness. You can use burdock oil as a scalp treatment. Massage it into your scalp and leave it on for a few hours before washing it out. Section 4. Indian Hemp Deep Moisturizing for Dry Scalp. Indian hemp, also known as cannabis sativa, has been used for centuries for its beneficial properties. Indian hemp, also known as cannabis sativa, is known for its moisturizing properties. The plant is rich in nutrients that are essential for maintaining a healthy scalp. It is rich in fatty acids, which are crucial for locking in moisture and providing deep hydration. These fatty acids can help hydrate a dry scalp, making it feel softer and more supple. They can also help prevent flaking and itching, common issues associated with a dry scalp. Regular use can lead to noticeable improvements. Indian hemp oil can be applied directly to the scalp. Simply use a dropper to apply a few drops and massage it in gently. You can also find it in some hair care products, such as shampoos and conditioners, which can make it easier to incorporate into your routine. It's important to note that this is different from the cannabis used for medicinal or recreational purposes. Indian hemp is non-psychoactive and safe for regular use. It won't get you high, but it will help you achieve a healthier, more hydrated scalp. Embrace the natural benefits of Indian hemp for your hair care needs. Section 5. Rosemary and sage, stimulating growth and balance. These two herbs have been cherished for centuries for their remarkable benefits, not just in culinary uses, but also in hair care. Rosemary and sage are wonderful herbs for hair growth. They are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that can rejuvenate your hair from the roots to the tips. They can also help balance oil production on the scalp. This balance is crucial for maintaining a healthy scalp environment, which in turn supports robust hair growth. Rosemary oil can improve circulation to the scalp. Enhanced blood flow ensures that hair follicles receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to thrive. This can help bring more nutrients to the hair follicles. A well-nourished follicle is the foundation of strong, healthy hair. Sage can help control oil production. Its natural astringent properties make it an excellent choice for those struggling with excess scalp oil. This is helpful if you have an oily scalp. By regulating oil production, sage helps prevent clogged hair follicles and promotes a cleaner, healthier scalp. You can use rosemary and sage in a hair rinse. This simple yet effective method can be easily incorporated into your hair care routine. Simply steep the herbs in hot water, let it cool, and then pour it over your hair after shampooing. This rinse not only nourishes your hair but also leaves it smelling fresh and invigorated. Section 6. The power of herbal shampoos, gentle cleansing and nourishment. Many herbal shampoos are available today. These shampoos use the power of plants to cleanse and nourish your hair. They are often gentler than conventional shampoos. Herbal shampoos can help with many scalp conditions. They can help with dandruff, dry scalp, and even hair loss. Look for shampoos that contain the herbs we've talked about. These herbs can help you achieve a healthy, flake-free scalp. Section 7. Embracing nature's touch for healthy, flake-free hair. In this section, we will explore how nature's bounty can help us achieve and maintain a healthy scalp and beautiful hair. Nature provides us with so many wonderful remedies. From the lush gardens to the wild forests, herbs have been used for centuries to treat various hair and scalp issues. Herbs can be powerful allies in our quest for healthy hair and scalp. Aloe vera, for instance, can soothe irritation and reduce inflammation, making it perfect for those with sensitive scalps. Burdock root is known to nourish the scalp, promoting stronger hair growth, while Indian hemp is excellent for moisturizing and preventing dryness. Rosemary and sage are not just culinary delights, they can stimulate hair growth and balance oil production, ensuring your scalp remains healthy and your hair vibrant. Herbal shampoos offer a gentle and effective way to incorporate these herbs into your hair care routine. They cleanse without stripping natural oils, leaving your hair soft and manageable. So, embrace nature's touch and say goodbye to dandruff and dry scalp. By integrating these natural remedies into your daily routine, you can enjoy healthier, flake-free hair that shines with vitality.